This farm looks happy, but something terrible is about to happen.
When danger strikes, only one hero will stand up. Meet the most amazing monkey you've ever seen. But can he save everyone in time?
Watch till the end, you won't believe what happens. Life on the farm was fun, peaceful, and full of laughter. But suddenly, disaster hits the farm.
Oh no, the pig is trapped. Don't worry, I've got you, buddy.
Another animal needs help. This monkey isn't just strong, he's smart.
The farm was no longer safe. Follow me! Stay together! Follow me! Stay together!
Heroes never give up.
One last rescue! Because of one brave monkey, everyone survived. A hero doesn't need a crown.
A hero needs a heart.
This farm looks happy.
Everyone thought nothing could go wrong. Monkey loved this farm.
They were all friends. They were all friends.
Nothing felt wrong. Until suddenly, Monkey noticed everything. He had a plan. This farm looks happy, but danger is coming.
Did you hear that? Something is wrong! Oh no, a disaster! Only one hero can help! Meet the amazing monkey!
Follow me.
We must save everyone!
They need help! First rescue starts now. Woo! No time to stop. Almost there. Hold on. Oh no, pig is stuck. Hang on, I'll pull you out. This is my farm! No time to stop. Oh no, pig is stuck! Hang on, I'll pull you out! Hold on! Almost there! Oops! Got you! You're safe. You're safe.
One down.
Cow needs help.
Stay calm. You're okay.